Hello, good day everyone. This is a review of the customer number 1064 at the Chrพล branch. And so, this is the Macbook Air M1 2020, I guess. Yeah, it is 2020. So customer sent us that the laptop is not able to turn it on at all. The voltage start at the 5 volts, doesn't boot up to the 20 volt. The amount of the voltage it required for the systems is 20 volts. So there might be shorted components on the mainboard. Yeah, we spotted that the shorted component on the I/O board. So this is not hard at all. So we just replace the entire board. That is quite cheap. So and yeah, the MacBook is now able to turn it on just fine, no problems. Charging fine. Okay, so I'll let you know that if you're in Bangkok, you can send it to us to fix your MacBook or laptop. If you have the problem that you don't know how to do, you don't know how to fix it, feel free to reach out at the Smarty service at any branch. So I'm gonna stop this video for now and see you next video. Bye bye.